Hey guys, in this video we will going to review about CleanMyMac X product. Okay, so this is the ultimate cleaner for your Mac. So I'm using CleanMyX product for the past 5 years, and here you can see that I have a CleanMyMac X product for the past 5 years. I'm using it on my Mac, and because of this still my Mac is very much young and powerful like it was when I purchased it first time. Okay, so it's still working very much smoothly. Okay, so this is all because of Clean My Mac X. Okay. So now in this video I will going to review about this product. Now in case if you ever want to purchase this product, I have provided the link of this product in the video description box or in the comment section, so just do and check it out there. Okay, and along with that you can also just go to my-link.in. everything is small, then put a slash, and you can just go to Clean My Mac to get a special discount in the one-time offer as well. Okay, so you can just go ahead, and this is the page of Clean My Mac. Okay, so this is just the amazing product. Now the amazing thing about this product is that Trustpilot, which you know that it gives the review for all the product in businesses. So it says that Clean My Mac is the excellent product, and it has been given 4.6 star rating. And here you can just read about all the reviews. Some say like around 5% say 5% say that because of this product it is making it uh, poor, and some people will going to say that it is a good product. Okay, so this is how you will going to see, but majority of the reviews are of 5 star, because here you can see that 89% people have given it 5 star, 4% people has given them 4 star, and remaining it is distributed here. Okay, so this is the review of Clean My Mac using Trustpilot as well. Okay, so now if we just talk about this product, so this product will going to help you to clean each and everything of your Mac. That means all the junks on your Mac, some hidden files. Sometimes what happen, we have some hidden files which are not being deleted by Mac itself. So this product helps you to do that. It will going to help you to remove all the archives, unused apps, malwares. Okay, so it is a protector total protector and a security provider for your Mac. Okay, and it will also going to make your Mac very much fast as well in my experience, because I'm using it for the past 5 years. You can just do a smart scan that will take care of all your Mac. Okay, it has also feature of large and old files. So here you can see this is the large and old files. So here basically what will going to happen, this tool will going to tell you what are the big files on your Mac. Sometimes what happen, we have some big files but we don't notice that. So because of that it remains inside our Mac, and that make our Mac kind of very much uh, that means that makes our Mac basically storage less. That means it will take space, but obvious if you will not going to notice this big file, so ultimately it will going to end up taking lots of space on your Mac, and you will face the storage problem, right? But this tool will going to solve that problem for you. Okay, it will going to just remove all the junks and everything. Okay, and this is a very great tool, because in the free version, if you will just go ahead, if you just go to the link which I have provided in the video description box and in the comment section, so there you can just check this landing page which I am reading right now. So free plan doesn't provide you a lot of features, like you can only do one app cleaning, you can only remove 500 MBs of junk, and there are many limitations. So but in the paid plan you will going to get everything for unlimited. You will even going to get updates for free with the paid plan. So if you will just go ahead, you can just click on here on buy now, or you can just click and here on buy now. So you will see that this product provides only two plan, that is 1 year plan, and second is one time purchase. And I always recommend you guys to go with the one time purchase, because you only have to pay one time and you can enjoy this tool for lifetime. Okay, so that's the thing. So here you can see that if you take with the 1 year plan, that means in every 1 year you have to renew it. Okay, so if you try to see, it's in rupees. Okay, let me if you will convert it into dollars, so it will be around $32. Okay, and for 1 year you have to pay $32. But if you, in my case, for example, in my case, I'm using it for the past 5 years. Okay, so let's assume you want to use it for lifetime. Let's suppose for now 5 years. Okay, so for 5 years, if you will go, you will have to pay $160, which is expensive. Okay, and in Indian currency, just 3,000 for 1 year. So for 5 years you will going to pay 15,000, right? That is expensive. But here it will only going to cost, for example, it will only going to cost, if you purchase one time, it will just cost you around $80. Okay, just a one time payment, and you can even use lifetime. Now here, for example, you have one old Mac, and even if you purchase one new Mac. Okay, so what you can do, in your old Mac you can just remove this tool. Okay, and on new Mac you can install and activate the tool. Okay, so it's that easy. So that means you can just totally use it for lifetime without any problem. Okay, so that's a very great benefit of this tool. Okay, and I will going to suggest you guys to go ahead with that. Okay, with one time purchase, so you will going to get plenty of benefits. Okay, along with that, it will going to fix your problems, plenty of problems, like it will going to free up RAM. So basically RAMs help us to run our apps smoothly. Okay, so if you have full of RAM, so your apps will not going to run smoothly. So in that case, this tool will going to help you to solve that. Okay, so here in the optimization and maintenance, you will see the feature of free up RAM. So this will going to, if you will run this, so what will going to happen, your all apps will going to work very much smooth. Okay, so these are all the plenty of features you will going to get inside this tool. So just go ahead, and I highly recommend you guys to just go ahead and purchase this tool. Okay, so this will help you a lot to keep your Mac secure and safe, and make your Mac very much faster. And it will also going to increase the life of your Mac for unlimited time. Okay, so you can just even run your Mac for 20 to 25 years. People also claim that because of this tool. So very value for money tool. Go ahead, and I highly recommend you guys to just go ahead and take this tool. Okay, and I have also provided the link of this tool in this video description box. You can just go ahead and buy from there, or in the comment section I have pinned, or you can just go to this link, my-link.in/cleanmymac. Just type this on your browser, everything in small. Okay, my-link.in/cleanmymac. Click on enter, you will land up to this tool. That's it. Okay,